Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel where we teach you how to make money online and offline. In this video, I want to show you a proof of the video I did yesterday. Yesterday, I did a video to show you how you can start earning passive income through liquidity farming on Ultron's decentralized exchange. Many of us have purchased the Ultron coins and we are holding them, trusting that the price is going to go up and then we will sell them. But I want to show you that whilst you are holding your coins, you cannot keep them idle. You can keep them as golden coins or a golden hen laying golden eggs for you, and then they will hatch into golden chicks that can also lay golden eggs and hatch into golden chicks, and then you grow your stock of Ultron coin. So yesterday I did a video showing you how you could earn passive income through liquidity farming on the Ultron decentralized exchange, and then I promise you that after 24 hours I'll do an update to bring you a proof of the earnings. So this morning, if I'm here to just give you a proof of the video we did yesterday, and then we did a live purchase of the liquidity stake, and then we started farming. And so I'm bringing you an update to give you a proof of earning, that your coins can be intact, but they must not be idle lying in your wallet. You can put them to use and then they can produce passive income for you, like Mavi is doing. So you are welcome to this video. Watch the video to the end and then you will see how it is. I'll show you. I'll withdraw the coins into my wallet and then we will see the evidence. So just stay tuned and watch to the end as I take you through. All right, so let's go inside and then let me go and show you. So let's go to the Ultron swap. So here we are, ultronswap.com, and so we are going to the farming to go and check. So go to farming or the farm, and then we scroll down and then we come and see. So there you are. So yesterday we provided liquidity for the ETH, that's the wrapped Ether, and then the ULX pool. So you can see the earnings there. So there you are. You can see that this morning we have 177 Ultron coins, 177.512 Ultron coins, and then you can see the amount as at the market price of the Ultron coins. So this 177.512 Ultron coins are worth $16.785 because the Ultron coin is almost 10 cents. I'll show you the live price right now. So there you are. So the utility tokens that we staked, that's 84 utility tokens we staked, and that is the cost or the amount right now because of the price increase in the Ultron coin. It is worth $2,102. And then these are the number of coins we have earned over 24 hours plus. This one is just about 30 minutes on top of the 24 hours. At the time of the 24 hours, it was about 175 coins. So you see, your coins would have been sitting in the wallet and not earning anything, but deciding to put them to use, and then you'll be earning passive income. Your coins are still intact. And so every day, imagine you are earning additional 175 Ultron coins. Can you imagine what that can do? The price is low now, but it is worth $16. Can you imagine, for doing nothing, your coins are there and then you put them to use and then they are working for you 24 hours and then generating passive income. So I admonish you, if you have some Ultron coin, don't leave them wasting. And then I will also offer advice to those of you who have the major coins like Bitcoin and then Ethereum that are high in value. Now many people have Bitcoin and they are waiting for the Bitcoin price to go up, but the truth is, because of the price of those high price coins, how many of them can you hold? You have a limited number you can hold. And what is the percentage of price increase? Let's assume Bitcoin is even 20,000 right now, $20,000, and then you are holding 10 Bitcoins, assume, or you are holding 5 Bitcoins, and then you are believing that Bitcoin is going to go to 100,000. The truth is, even if Bitcoin should increase from 20,000 to 100,000 and you have only 5 Bitcoins, that is 100,000. If it increases to 100,000, which I don't think it is anytime soon, all your Bitcoins, the 5 Bitcoins, will only be worth 500,000. But let's assume you take 2 of the Bitcoins, you take 1 and then you purchase over 200,000 Ultron coins. And then at the current price of, let's assume, 10 cents, and then you get over 200,000 Ultron coins, and then you move those coins to the decentralized exchange, and then you take the other Bitcoin, so 2 Bitcoins, one to purchase the Ultron coins and one to use as the pair to start your liquidity farming, and you are providing liquidity at that amount, and every day you are earning over 100 or 200 or let's say 500 Ultron coins, and then at the price. Now let's assume the Ultron coins move to even $1. Currently it is almost 10 cents, and then you acquire 200,000 for 1 Bitcoin, and then the Ultron coin becomes, let's say, $1. It means that 1 Bitcoin is worth $200,000 like that, but it is currently 20,000, and then you are waiting for 100,000 before you sell it. Which one will give you more money? And so you can see that, let's assume that even the Ultron coin in the next 1 year or 2 years goes to $10, and then you are holding 200,000. That is going to give you how much? You are already in $2 million like that. So I will advise those of you who have Bitcoin and then Ethereum, for instance, you can come here, take 2 of them, use one to purchase Ultron coin and use the other one to pair, and then provide liquidity and start earning free Ultron coins as passive income. Whilst your coins are intact, the price appreciates, you can remove your liquidity and sell and make money. So please just take this advice, and those of you who are holding the coins already and you are holding them just waiting for price to appreciate, and you can know the swing in the crypto market falling and going up. But this is a new project, and this one is on fire, and so you can buy many more coins, and with a list price increase or appreciation, you can make more money than holding 1 or 2 or few of those super coins, and then the price will not increase appreciably for you to make any significant income. So if you have Bitcoin, just take 1 Bitcoin, split it, and then purchase Ultron coin, use the other half, and then pair it, and then provide liquidity on the exchange, and then you can make some money. All right, so I want to harvest these coins right now for us to see that this thing is live. Let me gather what is there. And so I want to harvest this coin. But before then, let's go to my wallet, and then I'll show you the balances in there. So we go to the portfolio, and then you can see that, what do I have? I have only ULX. That's 46.787 ULX, which is equal to $4 right now. I don't have the WULX. So let me just go here and show you. I'm going to withdraw that, so I just want to show you that currently I don't have any of the WULX. That's the wrapped ULX. So you can see what I have here is just 46 ULX. So I'm going to withdraw or harvest what I earned yesterday, the 24 hours, and so you can see that this thing is real life. You can make the passive income and you can withdraw it. So you can see the wrapped ULX is empty. I don't have any single one, and then the ULX I have left in the wallet is 46. All right, so let's go back to the farm and let's go and harvest what we have earned over the past 24 hours. I want you to see everything live and know that this thing is real. Okay, so I come here and then I click on harvest. My internet is slow this morning, so let's check it and wait. Okay. So we wait for the confirmation, and once the confirmation is done, we go and check the balances again and then see. Okay, so confirm the transaction. So the transaction is processing. So let's check it up. All right, so you can see that it is gone. So you can see the balance is now 0.027. The dollar amount is 0.026. It means our earning is gone, so you can see it is no longer there. So it has started gathering more coins. Let's go back and check the balance again and see what's happening here. Boom, so you can see it. So you can see what we withdrew is inside here. You have your 178 wrapped ULS tokens or coins inside our wallet, and then we can decide to swap it to the ULX 1-to-1. So you can see it there now. I have the 178, so I change the position, and then I'm going to swap everything full amount, and then I click on swap. So remember, I have 46 here, and this is the wrapped 178, and then I go, the transaction must be confirmed, and then we go and check it. And then tomorrow by this time again, I'll come and gather another 175 to 178 ULS coins like that. Passive income for life as long as this project remains in the blockchain every day. Unless I increase the staking or the liquidity, then the number of coins will increase. Or if I withdraw the liquidity, then I'll stop earning. All right, so there you are. You can see it. We now have 245 ULS coins in our wallet. So we are good to go. Let's check my portfolio, and then you can see it there. Boom. So you have 225. It was only 46. Then we added 178, and then we have what? 225 ULS. Tomorrow I'll add another 175, and every day this is passive income. Your coins are still intact for you in the farm. So this is just the yield. The farm, the tree is there, and you are only harvesting the profit as passive income. Don't keep your coins idle in your MetaMask or Trust wallet at all. It doesn't help. You can, whilst you are waiting for the price to go to $10, $100, and then we will sell, start increasing the number of the Ultron coins you have. You can imagine for the next 100 days, I am accumulating 175 for the next 100 days. You can imagine that will be about 17,500 coins that will be there for me for the next 100 days. That's about 3.5 months just for staking, and my coins will still be intact. So I admonish you, do something. Just look for some money. If you have Ultron coins, what I did is I didn't have money, so I just divided my Ultron coins, which is about 24,000, into two. I use part, I swap it into the wrapped Ether, and then I use the other part as the ULS, and then I am farming. And so the coins I'll get, I'll use to replace the one. I'll have the Ether, which I can swap back to Ultron coins anytime I want to remove the liquidity. So that's how it works. And right now, the price of the Ultron coin is almost 10 cents. So you can see that is the live price right now, 0.09701. By close of day or by close of the week, we should hopefully be seeing 10 cents. And then it will start firing from there. We are in a good business, and then you can start making some passive income. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I just brought you 24-hour liquidity farming proof of earning. And so just go and also start, and let us share testimonies. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. If you have any question, leave the question in the comment section, and then I will answer you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.